barakatuh. Welcome, brothers and sisters, to my channel Faisal Azib. I hope that you are well. Today, inshallah, I will explain you how to use text in Android application step by step. So let's start. In previous video, I have showed you a different overview about Android Studio, and I have discovered that's a new version. It's very, very different between previous that I was worked before. But I will try to adapt different things with this new version. So the first step before to start, I have make change where in this file you have design in text. Click to the text, and here change all this line Android.support.consent.consent layout. Change it to relative layout. Okay, this is the first step before to begin. After this, come back to design. Now, as you can see, when you create your first application, you have this message by default. You can change it. How to change it? Just make double click and you will redirect to this panel. In previous version of Android Studio, you can change it directly here in the screen. Of course, you can change it in the panel, but you have also an opportunity to change it in the screen, but it is not the case here. So it's not a problem. So change it, for example, put your name, for me Faisal, and here I will see the change in my emulator. Okay, so let's preview. As you can see, I have Faisal here. Okay, you can change anytime the text, and without you run again your emulator, just click to this button. As you can see here, when it's running, you have the green circle button. So it will update automatically. Okay, so the next step, I will show you how to add another text to the screen, this screen. So go to this panel and click to the text. You have a lot of components or different component text, and choose Textview, for example, and here make drag and drop. So just like this. And as you can see here, okay, I can put it where I want because the layout is relative. Okay, so I just make it here, and now I change it to pseudo, my pseudo, for example, and not ID. ID, I will let it to ID2. Okay, I will change the text with text here. Okay, text as Checo, for example. Now I will run emulator. I see if I don't have a problem, if the position is good between two texts, because I can get a surprise. As you can see, the text is good now. Okay, now I will remove this. Let's play now with this text. So the first thing, I will open this panel, view all attributes. Okay, and here I have a lot of properties about this text view. I will try to play with some of them to show you the principal properties. The first one is ID. ID, you need here to put some ID. Why? Is for to manage the text view in the background or in the activity. I mean here, if I want to change the text, the color of the text, I will use the ID of the text view. You will see this. Don't worry about this. So here I will put text view 1, for example. Okay, and respect camel case. don't begin with uppercase, huh? Okay. The second one is a layout. I have width and height, width and height. So I have here wrap content and match parent. If I make patch parent, you will see all this text will get all this width. So look, okay? I mean the layout of the text, not the text himself, but the layout of the text. It's very different to make the difference between the text and the content of this text. So I can let it to parent. Wrap content as before. Okay. The same thing with layout. High, I can change it to parent. The second thing is margin. What is layout margin? This layout with blue border, the margin will move this layout to the left, to the right, or from the top, or from the bottom, or from all this position. And for example here, I will choose all, and I will give him not size, but the steps, how many steps I will move this layout. And I will choose the size unit as dp, for example, 10 dp. What does it mean, dp? As you can see, I have choose 10 dp, and the layout was moved from the left, from the top, and from the bottom here also, and from the right. dp, I will show you this, is density independent pixels. Use this dimension anywhere where you want to use the position or movement. Use this unit dp. But if you will use each text, for example, the size of text, or any relation with text, use pixels, this one. And here you have all the dimension that you can use in Underwidth. So I recommend you the first one, dp, for all the position, movement, and pixels, pix, about text size. Okay, we will see this after. Let's continue. So I will move it again to see it more here. Now I will run to see the difference. Okay, the text was moved. Now let's continue. What we have also, I think, I don't know if I can sort the properties by alphabet order. No, I can, so no problem. The second thing, I have padding. Padding is the same thing with margin, but with little difference. If you make the position with padding, the movement will begin within the element, not outside the element. Okay? Here, I mean, you have, I will zoom again, you have this element, and within the element I have text Faisal, and the padding will move within this. Look, if I make padding here 20 dp, as you can see, the border, yes, we have extension of border because we have make the movement from the top, from the left, from the top, from the left and bottom and the right. And the margin will open outside. Okay, so it's good. Let's continue. You can choose also the theme. The theme, we have what's theme that installed in your PC, your computer. You can just click in this 3 point, and you have a list of them. Choose what you want. Okay. The text I have showed you how to change it. Alpha, what is alpha? Alpha can contain a value between 0 and 1, and it makes text visible to invisible, or the degree of visibility of the text. Let's see, for example, if I choose 0.5, here you can see the text is some invisible letter in the middle, but I can decrease to 1, and here, as you can see, it will disappear, and to 9, and here 1 is by default. So I remove it. Link, I don't use it a lot of, but I have some good properties as background. I have background properties. Here, it's color within the text, okay? So you can choose here color, and we have default color, or you can choose also another default color. You have a lot of different color, and also you have palette. Where is the palette? A palette. Where is the palette? I don't know where is with this new version, not in array, because I think here, yes, I can hear new color value. Okay, it's good, it's here. Add new resource and new color value. So I choose here, for example, blue or green, because I like the green. Okay, so here I have a lot of color. I will choose this, for example. Okay, so after this, I just click to OK, and look, the background will change to green. Okay, what can I do also? Oh, this I don't use them. Digit, row up, enable it, a lot of properties that we have used. We have font family. For font family is the same thing what you use in Word Office or Excel or TextPad. It's a very, very same thing. So just click to the 3 point, and here you don't have font family, I don't know why. So just click to the new resource, new font file, and you just create one what you want. Okay, we have foreground, gravity. Okay, let's play with this value and see what we can get. I don't like that, nothing. I can see nothing here, no problem. No problem. Alright, what I have also take a lot of properties, lines. I search very important properties. I will use on click not here, but in the button. Tick, password not here. Where is the text size? Yes, I have text color. For example, I choose a red, this one. As you can see, it's very important. I have to change it. And I have text styles. Yes, it's very, very important properties. Before I talk about this unit, pixels and dp. For the text size, choose px. It's very, very recommended. Okay? So here, where is the text size? Sorry. Choose, for example, 30 px. And look, I will choose 15, but it will be very, very big. No problem. Okay? And here, we have another properties, but it's a very important to know this one. Text size, text color. We will use also tag in other video, inshallah. Where is on click in other video, of course. And we will use also background text, of course. Alpha maybe, and ID, and layout width, layout height. and margin and padding. So now I will give you a challenge, is to create this simple interface with your name. I mean, you centralize, make center the panel or the layout of your text. Choose for the background of this text this color. You can choose another one, no? You can choose, no problem. Put your name with white color. I will give you 10 seconds to make this challenge. Let's start. Hi, Bismillah. سهلة بزاف بزاف. It's very, very easy. It's okay. I will show you how we manage this. So let's begin. I will remove the text, and now I will drag the text here in the middle. For example, okay, I can also drag it here, or I can put it here by default, and now I will change the text. Okay, so where is the text? Here, I put my name, Faisal Azib. Okay, I will change the first one. What is it? The margin. So here I will make 30 dp. Don't forget this. And here I will import this. I can increase again to 50 dp. Okay. Now I will change the text color, for example, or the background of the text color. The first one is to choose the green color. I will choose this, or I will create a new one. Okay, I will just create a new one, new color value, and here I will choose green 2. I choose this. A little difference, or this, a little difference from the previous. Okay, the same color as I have to. I choose another one, green and what? Okay, what is the problem here? So it's going to override existing colors green. Oh no, I don't want to override the resource green. I want to create a new one. I come back, color, new color value, and here green 3. I don't know why you can't create green. I don't know why. So file test 1. Why? What's the problem? Okay, I will choose another one. Okay, because I have select before this the green color. I repeat. Okay, I repeat. I have selected the green color, then just click to the project. Okay, project here, and choose another one, for example, green. No, it is the same thing, green 3. As you can see, the same thing, it doesn't like this one. So just click the project again, and here I don't know what is the problem. Sorry. The new Android Studio is become It's very very big problem. يصعب هذيك لابارتي هذيا. So now I will choose the background color as green. So here I will make new resource color, and I will choose new color value, and here I will just type, for example, test green new color, and I will choose here, for example, this color. Okay, now I will make the padding inside this text. Here I will choose, for example, 30 dp or 10. It's very big because I don't want to change. Okay. What I will change also the text size, just this, and I think we have finished. Where is the text size? Do you see it? Where is text size? Max size. Tick, 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 tick. So just click here. No. Or font size. Focus. Where is it? Ah, because I have clicked to the layout. Oh, our text size. So just click here to make simple. Yes, text size, and here I will choose 30 pics or more. I think it's good. It's good. 50 pics. Now I will run the application and just see. As you can see, I have my text view with green color, and it's in the center of the button. I can play with the landscape here. As you can see how it appears with mode landscape. Okay, just come back. It's good. It's good. Where is? Oops. I want to come back with the first one. It's so good. I am so sorry. I have made a lot of things because the new version of the studio is very, very different. I am trying it with you directly, and as you can see, we can now pass to the new video about button. I hope we don't get the problem. I hope. Okay. See you in next video, inshallah, brothers and sisters. Thank you so much to have seen this video. I tell you, share it, like it, and subscribe to my channel if it's the first one to see this course about Android development course. Tell you goodbye. Assalamu alaikum wa barakatuh.